Hi guys, welcome to Share Vision channel. Today we are going to talk about four stocks: IDBI Bank, Reliance Communication, Keytech Government Limited, and Dish TV. Along with that, we will look after Zomato IPO details. So watch it till the end. You can get the idea about these stocks along with the Zomato details. Okay, let's go directly to the video now. Before that, disclaimer: I am not a SEBI registered person. This video is only for education purpose, not for tips and calls. If you are watching in our channel a new person, please subscribe and support to me, and also press the like button. Let's go directly to the video now. So I am taking IDBI Bank day time frame. See guys, this IDBI Bank now giving a good breakout at this point of level, now closing at 38.80. So even though I will be strongly suggest to you to buy the stock at this price level. If you enter after this 40.30, then only you can enter, otherwise wait for some time, because this is my view of strong breakout. After that, this 40.3 is only you can get the good up movement. So that I am request you all wait up to this point, otherwise you can enter, no problem. But the first target is 43.30, second target is 45.10. So you can enter after above this 40.15. So keep your stop loss at this point of level 37.25. You can add it to your portfolio and watch it. Now next is Dish TV. See guys, Dish TV having a good triangle pattern, like symmetric triangle pattern. See, good breakout happened this location, so that I am selecting this stock for buying opportunity. Strong breakout. You can buy at this price level also, no issue. Now closed at 15.20, so you can buy at any time, tomorrow you can buy. But your stop loss, keep your stop loss at this point of level 13.25, and then you can exit at 17.30 is the first target, and second target would be at 18.20. So this is my view of opinion. You can add it to your portfolio and watch it, continue monitor. This TV will be going to up to 17.30 and 18.20. So add it to your portfolio, watch it. So volume is good volume, 43.18 million. So that I'll suggest this stock for good buying opportunity. Add it to your portfolio, watch it. And next is Reliance Communication. See, Reliance Communication already touched our target. Previous video I told about Reliance Communication. The volume is good volume. 234 million volume is now trading. So that this stock will be going to, my opinion is this stock will be again take the reversal and going to touch up to 4.65. So first now closing at 3.20, again it will take a U-turn. So that I'm selecting for a buying opportunity this stock. So next target is 3.55, second target 4.10, third target 4.65. So if you want to buy this stock, you can enter at this price level 3.30. So above the 3.30 you can get the good opportunity. I think this stock will be go up to 4.65. So because of good volume also moving these stocks. So add it to your portfolio and watch it. Next, Keytech Government. See, good volume breakout happened this stock. So see, downtrend channel. After that, it has been breakout given at this point of level. So 118. Now directly went to up to 140 rupees. So amazing. This stock will giving a one day performance is. I think last 6 month performance is giving you in a one day. So that I'm selecting this stock for buying opportunity. I suggest to this stock you can buy at 140 rupees also. This stock maybe go up to 156.60. Above this breakout, then it will go up to 167.40. so you can wait up to this point. If further it will break out given at this level, then you can continue, otherwise you can exit from this location. I think this stock will be definitely go to 170 rupees, 167 and 170 rupees. So also it has been trading 10 million volume, so no worry about the volume. The stock definitely go to 160 or 167 and 170. So add it to your portfolio and watch it. So Keytex Garment is now buying opportunity. You can check your own analysis also along with that, this analysis, then you can get a good idea. Now directly go to Zomato IPO. We look after Zomato IPO. Okay. So everyone know about the Zomato related to Zomato having a restaurant, Zomato having a type with all restaurants, and Zomato food delivery company. Everybody know about this. It is incorporated in 2010, one of the leading food delivery service company, and as of December 31, 2020, Zomato has established a strong footprint across 23 countries with 1,31,233 active food delivery restaurants, 1,61,637 active delivery partners they having, and average monthly food orders of 10.7 million customers in Zomato. So this is the basic details of Zomato. Now we'll look after competitive strength. Among the leading food service delivery platform, recognized consumer brand equity across India, and widespread and efficient on-demand hyper-local delivery network in Zomato. A strong network of 1,31,233 restaurant and 1,61,637 delivery partners. They are tie up now. So Zomato is competitive. This is the competitive strength, and company promoters. As of now, no identified promoters in this company. So it is under SEBI ICDR Regulation and Company Act. Under this, company will carry out. And objective of this issue: funding organic and inorganic growth initiatives meet general corporate purpose. For that reason, they are issuing the IPO. So now let's look after the financial important part. So that 31 March 19, it has been total profit after tax 10,105. So now 2021 March 8,164. It has been reduced. So we have to keep monitoring on this is important thing. The financial is now weak. I think this is we have to look after. So check it out, and we details of date and issue date and price band. So IPO open at 14 July and closed at 16 July. So IPO size is 9,375 crore. Fresh issue they are issuing 9,000 crore. Offer for sale 375. Face value is 1, and price band 72 rupees to 76 per share. Listing on BSE and NSE both, retail portion 10%. So next is the minimum lot size is 195 shares per person. You can apply rupees 14,820, and maximum lot size can be by 2,535 shares. Maximum amount required 1,92,660. So basics of allotment on 22nd July. Refund if not selected, you are not allotment got it Zomato, then refund will be 23rd July, and credit to demand account or amount will be on 26th July. Listing date 27th July. The important thing is the GMP. GMP is as of yesterday 16 rupees. So I think you have to decide whether we will go for apply or avoid. This is your choice. So these are the condition IPO details Zomato. So that's all guys. If you anyone follow up our telegram group, we have updating regular basis. You can add it to our telegram, you can join it with the telegram group also. And if you want to open Upstack account, you can check it in description box. I will be putting in this description box this link. You can use it and support to me. Thanks for watching. Thanks for please subscribe our channel and continue to watching. I hope understand this video. Thank you.